Did you know that the ashes left behind after burning wood can do more than just take up space in your fireplace? They hold the key to protecting your plants naturally and improving soil health, all without harmful chemicals. Healthy, pest-free plants are the cornerstone of a thriving garden. Yet many gardeners struggle with pests like aphids, snails, and mites, which not only damage plants but also spread diseases. Instead of reaching for synthetic pesticides, consider an eco-friendly, cost-effective solution: wood ash. Pests and poor soil nutrition are double trouble for gardeners. Left unchecked, these issues can stifle growth, reduce yields, and create long-term soil imbalances. Chemical solutions, while effective, often harm beneficial insects and contaminate the environment. What if you could tackle these challenges using something as simple as wood ash? Wood ash is an unsung hero in gardening, packed with minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all crucial for robust plant growth. It works wonders as a pest deterrent, particularly against snails and slugs, by creating a gritty barrier they avoid crossing. Additionally, wood ash raises soil pH, making it ideal for neutralizing acidic soil and benefiting plants like tomatoes, spinach, and onions. Using ash is simple. Mix 1/3 of a container of ash with hot water, and for extra potency, add a mild natural soap. Once the mixture cools, strain it and apply it to plant leaves, especially under them, where pests lay eggs, or the soil. Beyond pest control, wood ash contributes nutrients that enhance soil fertility and help prevent diseases like rot and fungal infections. However, moderation is key. Overusing ash can overly alkalize soil or harm acid-loving plants like blueberries and rhododendrons. Always test your soil's pH before applying and avoid using ash from chemically treated wood, as it may contain harmful residues. The real magic happens when you see your plants thrive. With fewer pests and nutrient-rich soil, your garden transforms into a vibrant, productive oasis. All thanks to a resource you may have thought was waste. From repelling pests to enriching the soil, wood ash offers multiple benefits for gardeners. Its effectiveness as a fertilizer, pest deterrent, and disease prevention agent makes it an essential addition to any natural gardening toolkit. Ready to give wood ash a try? Start by saving ash from untreated wood and put it to work in your garden. If you found these tips helpful, share this guide with your gardening friends and help promote eco-friendly practices. For more gardening insights and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Your plants will thank you. By adopting this simple, sustainable method, you're not just nurturing your garden but also contributing to a healthier planet. Happy gardening!